Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Multichain. Multichain is not able to break out this long-term downtrend and resistance you can see for the past several weeks or months. It is trying to break it out, but so far it is not able to break out. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Multichain that I shared on 2nd of November 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 27% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for multi-chain that I shared on 3rd of November 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD pattern. And you can see this was our buying zone starting from $2.09 and goes to $2.01, and this was a sell target zone, and below 2001 cents was our stop loss. And after the completion of the final leg, the price was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction and then we can again buy it from this buying zone or potential reversal zone. If I play this chart, and you can see that the price then again dropped down. It re-entered the buying zone here and here as well. And then we had a very, very nice price reversal. And this move produced almost 27% pump on this 4-hour, 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this move produced almost 15% pump. You can see that how nicely it moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of multi-chain, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several weeks, since after April 2023, it is not able to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance, even for the past several months, you can see. And now you can see that for the past several weeks, it is still moving, continuously moving at the resistance, this downtrend line resistance. And I'm expecting that this time, because it is now quite squeezed between this support of $1.75 and this resistance, a downtrend and resistance. Therefore, we can expect that soon it can break this resistance line. And after breaking out this resistance, an imminent move can be possible up to the next major resistance here. That is approximately at $3.11. And after that, the next major resistance will be approximately here at $5.20 or 21 cents. Here you can see it has been breaking as a resistance for several weeks. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at $7.65. And after breaking out this resistance, it can reach here approximately at $12.60. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.